Guys, so today we're gonna make ice cream again. So we're not gonna use Milo chocolate drink. We're just gonna use wait, let's show you. Okay, this I just bought this in SNR and Nutella. That's cool. Wait, I'll just get okay, so I'm gonna sure. So I'm gonna wash it first. I'm gonna wash it. Let's go, guys. So, gasin ko muna siya. Kasi baka makaalikabok. Hey, mommy!